In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme in Word 2016 to better suit your style and working preferences. It's a simple process that allows you to personalize your Microsoft Word experience, and it can make a big difference in your everyday usage, especially if you spend a lot of time working in this application. First things first, let's open Word 2016. You'll want to locate the Word icon on your desktop or in your Start menu and give it a click to launch the program. Once Word is up and running, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. Here, you're going to see a menu option labeled File. Click on that, and you'll be whisked away to a new screen. This area is often referred to as the Backstage view, a space where you can manage your documents, account settings, and more. Now, over on the left-hand side, there's a sidebar featuring a variety of options. You'll want to look for the one labeled Account, or in some cases, it might be termed Office Account. Clicking on this option will take you to a page that displays information about your Office installation, including product information and user details. On the right side of this account page, keep an eye out for a section dedicated to personalization. Here, there will be a drop-down menu specifically marked as Office Theme. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this drop-down menu will reveal several theme options that you can choose from: colorful, dark gray, and white. Each theme offers a different aesthetic flair to your Word interface. For those who prefer a standard bright appearance, the white theme provides a traditional look. If you like a bit of contrast but still want to maintain clarity, the dark gray theme might be your choice. It's easy on the eyes, especially in low-light environments. Meanwhile, the colorful theme provides a splash of color to your menu bars, offering a modern and vibrant feel that can enliven your work experience. Once you have selected the theme that suits you, the changes will appear instantly. You should see your Word interface update with the new theme design straight away. No need to restart the program or your computer. It's that efficient. Tailoring your Word theme is not just about aesthetics, but finding a setting that complements your work environment and personal comfort. These changes can make your interactions with Word more enjoyable and efficient. Remember, you can switch themes at any time by simply repeating these steps. I hope this video helps you personalize your Word 2016 interface and boosts your productivity. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep embracing those small tweaks that make your workday brighter.